Exactly.
You should have seen it before I got it.
Look at this.
At least I cleaned the back seat. Not bad. Not bad.
He's wrenching. What if we busted out a paper airplane?
I got a piece of paper, sure.
No joke. He got a plane.
I don't know who's more weirded out right now, him or us. I don't know why he stopped 10 feet in front of us. So, like, he had the whole landing strip here.
He just wants to fly.
Spread your wings, but maybe go somewhere that we're not.
All right, so the truck is not done. As you can see, it's still behind us. It's never gonna get done. The truck might never get done. We dropped the truck on the ground to finish torquing everything, and we noticed that the truck didn't look as high as it should. So we're looking at it. We measured the thing floor to fender, and currently the Platinum is sitting on a 2.5 inch ready lift leveling kit on a 1350. The way that truck's sitting with just a leveling kit and the tires, this truck with a supposed 6 inch lift is only 1 inch higher than that truck. All right, so putting it on the ground, we didn't do the rear yet, so there should be a nice rake. Now the squatted rake, meaning the front's higher than the rear. But as you can see that the front is not that much higher than the rear, so we're like, something's wrong. What do you think here, bud?
I think he's a chintzy.
I told you. Oh.
You snapped this one too?
No.
Oh yeah, bud.
Which one? Whoa. Studs and plastic are still on there. Like the whole thing just flew straight off and left the mounting. Ow.
They're all broke.
No.
This is broke too.
So we're sitting here, and as we got to cruising through the thing, and we're looking at the coils, and everything's in right, and we're like, we're really stumped on what's going on here with the lift kit being only such a small lift. You know, 6 inch. Yes, I do know that the 2020s start a little bit lower than the 17 to 19 trucks, which might be, I think it's just under 2 inches. Is it under 2 inches?
2.25.
2.25. No, I think you're making that up. If we knew something was going on at night, we cruised around through all the boxes. We looked at all the box part numbers. You know, like 52895B, checking it out, cross-referencing them through the directions because we knew something was off. We get to the coil spring box. 24415. I typed that in on Google, 24415 Pro Comp on Google. What does it bring up? It brings up a 4-inch coil spring kit. 4-inch coil spring box is what we have. So technically, as you see there, there's a 4-inch lift kit on a 2020 F250. It is pretty rough in here. I don't even know if I want to put this in the video because I'm going to get roasted.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah, they're not going to like that.
What? This is what you call PA weather.
PA daily driver.
Wow, dude, this.
Look at that.
Yeah, just very cool. Bend a little bit, you know. Whatever. Oh, guess what this is going to get?
Fluid film.
Yep.
Okay, so if you're wondering what a 4-inch lift kit looks like on a 2020, it's a pretty solid height. If I was going for a more conservative style, you know, like easy goer, right?
Huh?
Easy go.
What?
Lift kit, 4-inch.
Oh yeah, if you're a pud.
It's a pretty convenient if you're.
I mean, it's not bad in all honesty. If you're gonna just look nice, clean look, little bit above stock.
Well, the 2020s they sit low, so a 4-inch lift on a 2020, I think that's a really nice look. But that's not what we were going for.
No, that ain't even close.
So if you've seen the last upload, you would have seen that we were shorted a passenger sway bar drop bracket. So which I will give huge props to ProComp because this part here, this is the passenger side sway bar drop bracket. That's the part they overnighted to us. They overnighted that to us, no questions asked. Just boom, shipped it straight to us and it came actually the next day. I didn't have my email. They never sent me the email confirmation on tracking, so I never knew it arrived, but it was actually there. So huge shout out, ProComp sent it, made the problem go away with overnight. Okay, so now this problem, okay? So went and dug a little deeper into the whole box here with the coil. So the right part number that we need is a 24515, which is correctly marked over here on this tag. So EXP 24515, but the actual pro comp number is the 24415, which is what's in the box. I don't know how this little tag got put on here, 24515. I don't know how that got put on there, but in fact, it is the 24415, which is the 4-inch coil. No questions asked. They're sending us the new coils, which they're not in yet. They're overnighting us the new coils, and the old coils, they said we can just keep them. You can keep the 4-inch coils. Don't worry about it. We're sending you the 6-inch free of charge. They're coming your way. They'll be there. Move on. Yeah, this goes on first. You got to slide this in, and then this lip sits behind the wheel, and it holds it in there. You put the wheel on before you put the cap on.
How do you do your hubs?
They're on auto.
What if you want to walk? I hate them tires. The economy nowadays, the price of ground meat's $8 and some cents.
You're inflating your used wheels?
This is what it's come to.
Inflation, boys, inflation.
Brand.
You sure you got them all?
Got them all. It's hurting heel.
It's really on there.
It's on there.
Ah, pretty impressive. You sure you got all the lugs?
I mean, you can check it on YouTube.
They kind of sit in there. Oh, dude. What is that? They look bigger in person. On the phone, look on the camera here. They don't look that big. I feel like if you're going to go that route, you got to just push it to the 40s. You just got to go 40s. Trim the fenders a little bit. Cap with a stack. You ever seen a cap stack?
Cap stack? No.
I've seen one before.
That'd be terrible.
There's a guy that used to drive around, pick up old cats and DPFs and stuff, and he had a
cat stack.
A cap stack.
Cap stack.
It was a stack going straight through his cap.
It had to go way high.
It just came right out of the top, and it was just there. It's in one of my videos. We could do some archive research and find it. All right, boys, we're moving on to the Platinum. Dude, I think that looks pretty sick. I didn't like it at first, I'm not gonna lie. I did not like it. Right when you put that first one on, I'm like, no. Dude, front shot, it looks pretty mean. It does look pretty good.
It looks like it picked up. I'm growing on me. The tires are still paired.
So these are a -12 offset. You're driving Haas. That's decent for a...
You're not driving.
Yeah. Nice. Real nice. I don't hear the tires yet.
No.
How's it feel?
If you won't be able to hear them as no, you can hear them as soon as you let off.
Yeah, I do hear them. Yeah, they're Hummers.
I don't even know, what are they compared to sound-wise? Like, what is that sound?
It's like you're on a UTV on the road going real fast. This way! Well, nothing fell off on the test drive. Good news, good thing. Jeep. Truck. What do you think, boys? What do you think? I don't know. It's really growing on me. It's not too shabby. That is definitely, confidently can say, a solid winter setup for the Platinum. And methods aren't even that expensive. That's a pretty cost-effective wheel. So if it gets trashed over the winter, so what? So what? Good job. Good deal. Good drive. So I initially purchased these wheels without really an intent to put them on the black truck. They were probably going to go on the Velociduty. But as we were sitting there looking, and JB's wheels were on there, and we were talking back and forth, we're like, let's throw them on, see what we're working with. I like it. What do you think?
I like it.
JB Cruz got his new glasses today, and he's getting seasick. Look, we can match the Jeep. I don't know if that's cool or not cool.
It's cool.
It's pretty cool.
Haters.
Haters. We'll get methods for the Chevy.
This Chevy?
This Chevy.
They have big methods?
And the Dodge.
They have big methods?
We need a wide, high offset, high negative offset method for this. And then we'll put NASCAR
24.
slicks on it. But all right, so there you go. We gave up on the Velocity for today. We're messing with the Platinum. What are we going to do with the Platinum? We got a lot to do with the Platinum. There's a lot to be done with the Platinum. Coming into winter here, it's going to be a Platinum kind of winter. All right, boys, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for checking out the Platinum with the new methods and the mud grapplers. The Platinum went Grappaholic. There it is. They're on. It's running. Nothing fell off. We did our test drive. Everything's smooth. They're balanced. Good. And, yeah, I like it. I think it looks good. Peace.